Hi Juan, how are you? I'm doing well, thanks. Could I ask you some questions? What time do you usually get up on week? How how often do you go to the gym? Do you watch TV every evening? Where do you usually have lunch during the week? What do you do on weekends? Okay, thanks. What about this question? What are you doing right now? Uh, are, are you working on any special project at work? Are you taking any classes or course at the moment? What are you planning to do this weekend? Are you traveling anywhere next month? Thank you for your asking.